You write your username and then your password. And then it gets displayed the index where you can see all the games that you have stored, the times that you have played it. If you have stored the rulebook, well, you can click here and then it redirects to that page. Or if you store the tutorial, the video tutorial, you can play it at YouTube. And you can see the name of the player who has the best score. Then on this part, my played games, you can store the game's result. So you select a game that has been stored at the database, the name, or if you have not that game stored, you can enter the game. I will enter the game Barrio. And you can select the number of players. It goes from solo mode to 8 players and then 3 players. And then you can select the name of the player, and the player's score, and the rank place, and the same of this part, and submit. But if you don't have the player's name, you can you can select other, and then if a player name is missing, add a new player, and it goes to the add new player, who is the same part, and you add that player. So you do that. You store the game's result. Here you can look for a rulebook, and then it displays on an iframe here. But if you cannot, and then you can store the rulebook. But if you don't, you cannot. If you cannot display the rulebook, then it displays here. It displays this, and then it redirects to the page. And tutorial, yes, you can look for or search for the tutorial at YouTube, so you can play the video and watch it inside the web app. And then you can select a game to know what are the best scores from Ticket to Ride. So you select the game, select the rank, all the scores, or just the top 10. So give me those scores. Yes, here are the best scores. And the date it was played, that game. Add new player and then log out. So you log out of your game. So that is my final project. Thank you very much.